How to insert a contact symbol in your Microsoft Word document. If you want to insert a symbol like this, it's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. In your MS Word document, locate the insert button on the top left corner beside the home page and click there. Then among the list of ribbons, make sure to select on symbols. So this will give you a drop-off menu. Continue to click on more symbols. So a pop-up menu will appear with a list of options here. In this case, we're going to select our web things. If yours isn't this, you can click in this arrow icon and then select on web things. After that, you can click on this arrow to scroll down a bit to locate the contact emoji that you want to use. In this case, you have tons of icons here. So when you scroll down patiently, you could see the contact. So we have this one. After clicking on it, then make sure to tap on insert. Then you can also click on this one. Then you continue to tap on insert. Then you can also click on this one. So you can do it to many of the contact emojis that you want. After that, you can also select and click on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Then you can also have these options. Or when you scroll down a bit, you also have wingdings. So with the wingdings, when you scroll up a bit, you could also have the contact symbols there. You could see one here again, and then when you click on insert, it has been inserted, and you could also have another one there again and click on insert. So this has given us roughly like 5 different icons of contact. So if you want to scale it up or scale it down, all you have to do is to come back to the home page and then make sure this is highlighted, and beside here you could see the font increase or the font decrease. So if you want to increase it, you can click here. If you also want to decrease it, you can click here to fit any part that you want to insert it in your Word document. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.